What's up, YouTubes? I'm out here trying to get footy of my UDR, and it is so hard to drive it and film it at the same time. I've not done too many videos about it because I'm solo and making these vids, and dang, it's such a bad unit. Let's just scope this. Here's half throttle. God. I mean, sheesh. So anyway, I'm gonna put some slows and make kind of a small video about him, and it's just incredible what Traxxas has done. And I can't wait to keep driving this thing and keep modding it, keep doing it. Well, that's enough for a short drive with the Traxxas. I think all I'd want to do for changes is just wheels and a body. On other news, we got a new Big Red replacement body and chassis just in case something happens. Big Red is this 7th scale Ferrari that me and my son have built, and it's ridiculously fast. It can handle 8S. It's the one on the left. And it's got the aluminum wheels in the back, and you can see the other one's just kind of hollow, still a toy. But they're rare bodies, and we found one on eBay. Anyway, catch y'all later. Thank you for watching.